Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the required quantity of reinforcement steel or rod for a 13 feet by 15 feet hall room RCC slab casting. This topic is very important for site engineers, civil engineering students, designers, quantity surveyors and contractors. Let's start with the room details. The hall room size is 13 feet by 15 feet. We will assume a slab thickness of 5 inches or 125 millimeters. The concrete grade is M20 and the steel grade is FE 500. First, let's calculate the slab area. The formula is area equals length times width. So, area equals 13 times 15. Area equals 195 square feet. Now, let's calculate the concrete volume required for the slab. The slab thickness is 5 inches, which is equal to 0.417 feet. The formula is concrete volume equals area times thickness. Substituting the values, volume equals 195 times 0.417. Volume equals 81.31 cubic feet. To convert cubic feet into cubic meters, divide by 35.31. So, volume equals 81.31 divided by 35.31. Volume equals 2.30 cubic meters. Therefore, the concrete required for this slab is approximately 2.30 cubic meters. Now, let's calculate the steel quantity. For RCC slabs, a commonly used thumb rule is 80 kilograms of steel per cubic meter of concrete. The formula is steel quantity equals concrete volume times steel consumption. Substituting the value, steel equals 2.30 times 80. Steel equals 184 kilograms. Therefore, the approximate reinforcement steel required for this 13 feet by 15 feet RCC slab is 184 kilograms. For better understanding, let's look at the standard steel consumption range used in RCC construction. For RCC slabs, steel consumption is generally 75 to 100 kilograms per cubic meter. For RCC beams, it ranges from 100 to 150 kilograms per cubic meter. For RCC columns, it ranges from 120 to 250 kilograms per cubic meter. And for RCC footings, it ranges from 60 to 100 kilograms per cubic meter. Now let's summarize the complete calculation. The hall room size is 13 feet by 15 feet. The slab area is 195 square feet. The concrete volume is 2.30 cubic meters. The steel consumption rate is 80 kilograms per cubic meter and the total reinforcement steel required is approximately 184 kilograms. Please remember that this is a thumb rule estimation method used for preliminary quantity calculations. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com.